It has been weeks, if not months, if not just years, since I uploaded a goddamn video. No, it really hasn't. But it fucking feels like it. I don't know, maybe this will become my video schedule, whereas I only post one video per century. No, I'm just kidding. Don't unsub to me, please. Please, I need this up.
She see money all around me. I look like I'm the man.
Anyways, DarkAgent, why the fuck you back? Well, honestly, I don't know. Might as well just go hop on your toilet and give myself a little quality time there. No, I'm just kidding. Please do not demonetize me. As if I already earn money. I'll keep this family friendly, okay? I'll keep it PG, okay? We good? Yeah, we good? But what has happened in the meantime? Has there been a new president? Is Fortnite getting deleted? Because goddamn, I wish the picture were true. Has a black hole entered our solar system? Why a kebab? Night. Why a kebab made on Iceland? These are like my 3 AM thoughts. Honestly, who the fuck writes these articles? Can global warming be solved by opening all the fridges on Earth? Now that's a stonking climate change.
Why are we still here? Just to suffer?
I just really need to fucking die right now. Anyways, you see, now this is yet another example of a 3 AM thought. Well, my ladies and gentlemen, to solve this problem with global warming, why not just open all the fridge? Kill all of the hot chicks. Wait, what? According to Professor Thomas Wiener, isn't his last name just becoming normal for every year passing by in the US? I don't know, I live in a country with Vikings, so what the fuck could I possibly know? The Earth does not work by how most scientists tells the people. It is mostly driven by the fact of the literal warmth coming from the usage of objects like grills. Whereas fridges does the complete opposite and saves the day. I usually have my fridge open 24/7, which is what, if you want to save the planet, do as well. I'm just done. I'm just giving up with the faith of humanity. I'm done. I honestly cannot handle this. If 1% of scientists are like Thomas Wiener, we should just literally have to shoot ourselves. Wait, hold up. I have an actual gun. Just wait, give me a sec. Okay, so this is it. I hope you liked this video. If so, go do something with your life.